Balochistan police arrest 29 Afghan nationals who were trying to illegally enter Pakistan on their way to Iran, later Europe. Officials said on Friday a police team led by senior officer Abdul Ghaffar Dasti stopped a vehicle after receiving information the vehicle was carrying Afghan nationals, including women and children. Police arrested all 29 people in Gwadar area. Officials said the group was using a least common route to cross the border without legal documents. The driver was also arrested and vehicle was taken into police custody. Officials said that the Afghan nationals did not have a well-traveled document and were planning to travel to Iran and 10 European countries. Police said action is continued against illegal immigration and human smuggling in the province.
No more Wi-Fi at the railway stations. Yes, that has been the development recently, particularly at Lahore and Karachi railway stations. A development in the form of initiative taken once by the Federal Minister of Railways for bigger railway stations all over Pakistan to provide them and assist them with free Wi-Fi services has been dismantled or is in the process of dismantling, particularly of Lahore railway station. This development has occurred in the context that the private internet service provider that was providing or giving free access to the internet all over the passengers traveling from for all the places through Lahore railway stations now has been disbanded and dismantled because the provincial railway station of Lahore has allegedly failed to clear the outstanding dues of this private entity or this private internet service provider that has been installed and has been providing free Wi-Fi services to the passenger. The signages and QR codes that have been still or that are still displayed at the railway station of Lahore has caused some sort of irritation and frustration in the passengers who try to scan their devices with those QR codes that were showcased on the railway stations, only to discover inconvenience and only to discover the fact that there is no more internet. Upon inquiry and probing in, they got to know that the internet service provider, which was a private company or entity, has reversed and disbanded all the internet services that were being provided to the passengers freely at the Lahore railway station, solely because the railway station authorities have allegedly failed to clear their outstanding dues, and the main servers and devices installed at platform number 2 and platform number 4 of the Lahore railway station have also been dismantled, and this private entity or private company has reversed the role of internet service providing at the Lahore railway station. Now, the passengers who get on board for various trains throughout this metropolitan Lahore railway station are requesting their Chief Minister of Punjab either to remove the signages from the Lahore railway station or are requesting to initiate or to launch a special initiative for again free Wi-Fi service, as she had done in the name of CM Maryam Nawaz free Wi-Fi in the entirety of Lahore. People are optimistically looking forward and put forth their request to the Chief Minister of Punjab in this regard. Thank you.